interest subvention. So to sensitize our agri entrepreneurs, we organize this meeting. We have requested all our agripreneurs to take this opportunity. Lot of things we are bringing, lot of saplings we'll distribute from next year, and minimum at least 500 crores of irrigation project will be started in Karbi Anglong.
Karbi Anglong